Today is September 10th, 10:46 a.m., and Roku is down 7.3% for a negative $11.81 drop. It is showing as of September 10th today that the Tenkan is still bullish, so short-term bullishness. The span A is still bullish, so longer-term bullishness as well. But the good news, at least for me, is that the short call that I have for November, in which I already took off the long call, is profitable now. It's dipped below 150, so that fully paid for that long call that I already took profits on. And I think I'm getting ready to take some profits on this one as Roku continues to plunge. Obviously, it's going to be a short-term plunge because Roku has some long-term bullishness to it. But this is definitely a day to take profits, even though we're below 3% profit. Just a few days ago, this was very upside down, as Roku had been a high of 176. So just on September 9th, which yesterday, wow, that was the peak. So yeah, my short call was deep in the money. I was very unprofitable in that one, and now look at it. So the RSI was overbought, and this is why I continue to subscribe to overbought, oversold, even though the book I was reading recently said do not go with overbought, oversold, and I couldn't tell if that was good advice or if he was just trying to confuse other traders so he could profit off that ignorance. But it would have been a good trade if you went bearish anytime around here as Roku was getting overbought. Similarly, if you went long anytime down here when Roku was oversold, you would have had some incredible profits. Whew, all the way up. So, I mean, look at that again. If you went, and of course this takes some courage because everything's tanking. It's back in December. It looks like things are going to get low and not change at all. But maybe you decided to wait until the Tenkan made that crossover around January 8th. So you got in, let's say around 42.18. Roku went from 42.18 in December to 176. Imagine the profits on that. So the RSI is about moderate, and it would be smart to take profits while you can. So the mark price is 18.325. Trade price was 18.9. So let's see if we can. Let's put it in for a little bit of optimism. There might be a another black swan event coming, and we want to profit when that happens. So that's Roku. And then my long call, I'll just keep that on, and then if Roku starts to rebound, then, as it probably will by October, it's got that bullish span A and Tenkan, and once it gets above 165, then I'll take that off. But this is why it's important to take profits when you can, because just literally yesterday the 165 call was profitable. Roku was trading at 171. So if you would have taken that off, then it would have avoided a $510 loss, and you'd be up $777 today. So, instead of $267. So Starbucks, still waiting for that limit order to fill. Up $675 today, not bad. Broke 55,000. Happy with that. And then let's take a look. Oh, that's Roku.